Hey there, foodies! Craving a light, refreshing, and protein-packed salad? Look no further than this Tuscan tuna salad. It's a delicious twist on the classic, ditching the heavy mayo for a vibrant, flavorful experience. This salad is bursting with fresh veggies, hearty beans, and tender tuna, all coated in a tangy homemade dressing. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. Get ready to dive into a bowl of sunshine with this easy-to-make, healthy, and incredibly satisfying Tuscan tuna salad. Trust me, it will become your new go-to recipe. Let's meet the stars of our Tuscan adventure, each ingredient bringing its unique charm to the table. Tuna packed with protein and healthy fats is the heart of this salad. Choose your favorite kind, whether it's canned in water or oil. Cannellini beans, these creamy white beans, add a delightful texture and are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Cherry tomatoes, bursting with juicy sweetness, provide a refreshing contrast to the other ingredients. Cucumber, cool and crisp, adds a refreshing crunch and a hint of mild flavor. Red onion, its sharp bite adds complexity and depth to the salad. And lastly, Kalamata olives. These briny beauties offer a salty, pungent punch that complements the other flavors beautifully. Ready to get your hands dirty? This salad comes together in a flash. First, dice it up. Grab your cutting board and dice the cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and olives into bite-sized pieces. Remember, even chopping makes for a prettier salad. Next, bean there. Done that. Drain and rinse the cannellini beans, ensuring they're free of excess liquid. Then, tuna time. Open your cans of tuna and drain away any excess liquid. You want your salad to be flavorful, not watery. Finally, mixing magic. In a large bowl, combine the diced vegetables, beans, and tuna. Gently toss to combine without breaking up the tuna too much. Now, let's move on to that zesty dressing. Section 4. Beans, tuna, and a burst of nutrition. We're not just about flavor here, we're also packing in the nutrition. Cannellini beans are a powerhouse of fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. They're also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Tuna, our other protein star, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Choose tuna packed in water for a lower calorie option. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. This salad is proof that you can enjoy delicious food that nourishes your body from the inside out. Section 5, the dressing simple, yet oh so flavorful. This dressing is a game changer. It's light, tangy, and complements the salad perfectly. In a small bowl, whisk together extra virgin olive oil. Its fruity flavor forms the base of our dressing. Red wine vinegar adds a tangy kick that balances the richness of the olive oil. Dijon mustard provides a subtle sharpness and helps emulsify the dressing. Garlic, a touch of minced garlic adds a hint of savory depth. Salt and pepper, season to taste, adjusting to your preference. Remember, tasting is key. Dip a spoon into the dressing and adjust the seasoning accordingly. Section 6. Flavor Adventures, customize your Tuscan delight. This recipe is a fantastic base for your culinary creativity. Feel free to add your personal touch with these tasty additions. Fresh herbs, chopped fresh basil or oregano would add a burst of aromatic freshness. Capers for a brinier punch, toss in a tablespoon or two of capers. Lemon zest. A touch of lemon zest brightens the flavors and adds a citrusy aroma. Artichoke hearts, chopped artichoke hearts bring a unique flavor and texture to the salad. Remember, the key is to have fun and experiment. Section 7, serving up Tuscan tuna, your meal prep hero. This salad isn't just a pretty face, it's a meal prep champion. Pack it up. Portion the salad into airtight containers for grab-and-go lunches throughout the week. Layer it up. To prevent soggy salads, layer the dressing at the bottom, followed by the beans and tuna, and finally the vegetables. Keep it fresh. Store the salad in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This Tuscan tuna salad is perfect for light lunches, enjoy it on its own, or pair it with a side of crusty bread for a satisfying meal. Quick dinners, serve it over a bed of greens for a light and refreshing dinner. Picnics and potlucks. Its portability and crowd-pleasing flavors make it a hit at any gathering.